When a user adds data to a table, there's the possibility they will need to know information about the settings for each field. For example, they might need to know the maximum number of characters that they can type into a text field. If you want to give them the opportunity to display that information, you can use the TableDef objects properties to do so. For this movie, we're going to use the display property code module, and that's here in the navigation pane in the modules section. I'll double-click display property to open it in the Visual Basic Editor. I've already created the skeleton for this code module, have the sub and end substatements, and then I've created three variables. They are DB, which refers to a database, myT, which refers to a table def, and then myF, which is a field. And I've already set the DB variable to the current database, which is indicated by the keyword current DB. And now I can start typing in the code that will allow us to pull out and manipulate information about one of the properties for the table we want to work with. I'll type in set myT, myT, and again, this refers to a table definition, or table def, space equal sign, and then we need to identify the table we want to use, so that will be DB, which again refers to the current database, period, table defs, TABLE, DEFS, so this refers to the collection of all table defs within this database, left parentheses, and now we're going to identify the name of the table, so we need to put it in quotes because it's a text string. So double quotes, and then clients, plural, CLIENTS, double quotes, and a right parentheses, and press return. Now we need to identify the field that we're going to use, and that will be the client company field. It's another set statement, SET, space, myF, space, then an equal sign, and now myT, and again, that refers to the table or table def of clients, period, fields, FIELDS, then a left parentheses, and we need to identify the field again by name. Double quote mark, and then client company, all one word. CLIENT, then capital COMPANY, double quote, and a right parentheses, and press enter. I pressed enter twice, so I had a little bit more space to work with. Now, the last statement we're going to type into this code module takes the size property and includes that in a message box that indicates the maximum company size that you can type into the client company field. So that command is message box, MSG, BOX, space, and then a double quote, maximum, MAXIMUM, space company, COMPANY, space name, size, is, then a space, then a double quote, then an ampersand, and again, the ampersand, which is what you type by pressing Shift 7, means that you're concatenating two values together into a single text string. So after the ampersand, we're going to type in myF, MY, then an F, period, and then size, SIZE. When you type myF and then a period, you get a list of all the properties for that field. So you can use any one you want. In this case, we'll use size. Then a space, another ampersand, because we're going to concatenate yet another value, or another text string in this case. Type space, double quote, a space, and then characters, CHARACTERS, a period, and then a double quote, and then a down arrow. So what we've done is defined a message box that says maximum company name size is, that it includes the value from the field size property, and then ends with characters and a period. So when we press F5 to run the code, Access displays a dialog box indicating that the maximum company name size is 255 characters. And when we click the OK button, we go back to the VBA editor. You should take the time to look through the list of properties available to you after you type myF and a period. You might find one or more other properties you can use to your advantage.